Happy Father's Day, Lolo Bob. Thank you for carrying us while my parents was away. Thank you for carrying my brothers and me. I can say you are my best superhero ever. Take good care, Lolo Bob. We all love you.
Happy Father's Day, Lolo. You are my best grandfather. I love you.
Happy Sabbath Day, Lolo Bob. Thank you for taking care of us nga wala si mama og si papa og i-feed mi nimo para dili mi mapas mo nga wala sila dito ang dili mi nila ma-feed. Thank you for being a really great role model, and thank you for believing in us and having pride in us, and have a really good Sabbath day today, and we all love you. Have a really good Father's Day, and may God bless you.